What the business is, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's Fadegode. And as usual, before we get started, you gotta go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your bells, bro. That's the only way you're gonna know if I'm dropping something. Also, hit that like button and leave a comment if you want to see something so I can know what you want to see, bro. Okay, let's get it. So today, man, we kind of got like a high/mid taper, and of course, before we get started, you're gonna comb everything out. And then, so this is what I did. I started out with a one open, and then I went closed to make sure it's extra neat and groomed. You know what I'm saying? Like uniform, give it that uniform look. What that does is the one, it doesn't clean up as much, but it lays the hair down just enough for you to go over with that one close. And my client likes it low, so you know what I'm saying, it shows his waves better. So that's why I did this method. Go over one open, and then we're gonna go ahead and repass over it with the one closed. Hey y'all, make sure that y'all doing this around the whole head, okay? Take your time, be patient. It's gonna help you get a cleaner look on your fade, everything. All right, gangy. So now look, we got all that weight off, so that means we're ready for the fun part, you hear me? Which is fading. Create your guideline with a one open, and watch. It's gonna help you, I'm telling you, stretch out that fade, make it really, really beautiful. Like, I'm talking about the cleanest fade you probably ever seen. You would like picture perfect type fade, you hear me? I always try to start with my clipper, make a guideline on my clipper, because you never want to ball out unless it's like a burst fade or something. But this fade, I'm stretching it out and I'm making it custom to his head shape. So this to me would be like a mid fade on the back of his head. I bet. So to start out this process, I used the one. Started out with a one. Okay, so we're gonna do this open, and then we're gonna go down close, but we're gonna stay as close to that guideline as possible. We don't want to create another guideline. This is just to break that guideline up and make it a lot softer, make it easier for you to fade it out. Now this technique right here is recommended for more master barbers, or you know what I'm saying, more experienced barbers. But look, if you new and you can get the hang of this, I suggest you just watch it and learn it, you know what I'm saying? So I don't discriminate, bro. It is what it is at the point. But look, see how I'm skipping steps already? I'm just using one guard. The fade is almost done. I won't even have to go up with my tool. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people would take a 2 or a 3 and just work their way down, but I'm skipping all that. Yes, sir. Look how clean that is already. And it's not even done. But for those of y'all who know already follow me, this is my rough draft process. Rough draft meaning like I get it just enough, clean enough, you know what I'm saying, just to put a nice line on it, and then I go over and put a lot of detail work into it. Yeah, man, I didn't even have to do much. And he didn't get a haircut in a while, so for me to do this fast is crazy. So now I'm taking my 1.5, and I'm just slightly scratching it. I'm flicking from my fingertips, being real gentle, you know what I'm saying? Combing it down as I fade it. Gotta be real technical with it, bro. Making sure I'm not going up too high, creating new guidelines. You don't want to do that, and you don't want to cut into the waves. Which he's swimming, son. He's swimming. But some of them bitches gotta connect. I'm being real, but you definitely don't want to go up too high, okay? Then you're gonna be cutting into the waves. All right, so look, this is my detail work. I didn't put a line on it because I felt like, okay, I can just clean it up right here. But this is some of my detail work I'm doing. This might be like an extra 5 to 10 minutes, probably a little longer than that. I put a lot of detail in my work, so Probably a little longer than that. Make sure y'all detailing and paying attention to y'all, you know what I'm saying, y'all feeds. It'll definitely bring clients back if you want reoccurring clients. And, you know what I'm saying? People see that. People see that you're taking time and dedicating your time on their head. You know what I'm saying? They appreciate that. So they'll definitely bring you some new clients. Look, man, if you love my content, bro, take the time out right now to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. And look, let's get back to this video, man. So I provided a demonstration on how your clipper should be placed whenever you're creating your guidelines. Make sure you got the lever open, and you want to kind of go in this motion right here. Now we're going to come back with the 2, and we're going to do the same thing. And just because I'm a nice guy, I also provided a demonstration for this too. Alright, so take that 2 and clean up the top portion of that fade, okay? Make sure y'all clean up really, really good. We want it uniform. We want it nice before we move to the next step. Swipe in this motion, bro. Alright, clean it up real good. Then we're going to be ready to move on to the next section, which would be the 1.5. So this right here is going to be a bit more challenging, and it's going to challenge you on fade control. Follow this motion if you want to be successful. Make sure y'all attacking only the guideline. Don't go up no higher. You're going to stay right on that guideline and flick at the fingertips just like that. So take your 1 guard, which I know is my favorite guard, bro. If you have to go higher than the guideline, only use your corners, okay? Now, my favorite hairspray, raw treatment, of course. Now, after you blow dry, we're going to do a scratch test. So the scratch test is you take a brush. If it makes a white ash line, it's good to go. But me, I'm impatient, so I didn't wait for the ash line. I got straight to lining it up, okay? But look, as y'all going to see, it's going to start making that ash line after a few passes, and you're good. But blow dry with cold air for about 5 minutes, and you'll start to see that ash line. Make sure y'all pressing and dragging like this with light pressure, bro. Depending on how your blades are set, you good. So for the rest of this portion of the video, it's just gonna be like a lineup tutorial. I may not say much. I'll just let y'all go ahead and watch it. And with the lineup, just be patient. Work your corners up. Don't rush it. That's all I'm gonna say. Just don't rush it, bro. You got this. Just watch it and you got it. Man, that lineup fire, son. You can't tell me that. Look, no enhancements yet, bro. So look, my other videos, I never got a chance to show y'all how to do enhancement tutorial. So here y'all go, man. Just trying to show y'all how to get the game right, you hear me? So make sure y'all applying light pressure so you can apply as many coats as you need. It will last longer, I promise you, okay? Look how light and natural. I try to keep it looking natural. I try to keep it with the hairline. And also, color matching is a big part of this, bro. Make sure y'all color matching y'all enhancements. Don't use black on brown hair. If you are using black on brown hair, use a really light shade of it. It'll make it look more real. Okay? I'm not against enhancements. I love enhancements, but I also can do natural work too. But I'm just trying to help you guys improve on both ends of the stick. Alright, bro, so these hitters right here are like my detailers. This is where I go to. These are my go-tos for whenever I want to sharpen up lines, after enhancements, just after a lineup, even if it's a natural cut. Now look, here y'all go. I skipped the rough draft process, but I'm sorry. Look, I'm lining the back of the neck up right now. And these by far one of my favorite trimmers. I ain't gonna lie, the snaps, they pretty dope. I gotta get another blade for them. I kind of modified these myself. I used the 1 minute blade setter. It's cool. It's, you know what I'm saying? It's cool. It got the job done. Sometimes it can make the blades a little too sharp, but it's hitting perfect for me right now. So I love it. Make sure y'all popping that ear down gently and slightly going across the ear. Okay? Clean up, clean up, clean up. Finished product? Not quite yet, bro. We still gotta hit him with the razor. So look, I'm gonna get my dog extra crispy with this razor, you hear me? I'm gonna show y'all this fire technique that's gonna help y'all. Make sure you are pinching the skin. Now, I'm not putting no pressure on this razor. I'm just look at it. I'm pulling the skin with my thumb. I'm not moving the razor at all. Make sure the razor is flat on his skin, okay? You don't want to cut him. You don't want to nick him. I'm trying to show y'all a better demonstration. I might have moved the razor more this time, but make sure y'all pulling that skin with your thumb. There you go. See, not too much enhancements. It's fire, just like that. You know what I'm saying? Some people have a preference, bro. But this, you know, this is mine. You know, everybody got different styles. I respect it. Man, you can't tell me that tutorial was not dope, bro. But hey, it's only gonna get better. I appreciate y'all who are here right now. And look, keep showing love, keep supporting. I thank y'all, man. Whoever comes across this video, man, I pray nothing but prosperity, positivity, abundance, bro. Wisdom. I pray that you always want to learn, bro. And look, get better at your craft. Don't stop. Keep going. Man, look at this. See, look, if y'all subscribe to my channel, bro, I definitely want to get that confidence boost up and have you cutting better, okay? You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to sell you a book. I'm not trying to sell you a program. I'm simply giving you free game through this channel. So look, go ahead, subscribe if you want to learn a new craft or just sharpen your skills, bro. Hit me up, follow me. Catch you on the next video. YouTube, let's get it, man. That's enough for today, bro. I hope this video helped y'all. But hey, real talk, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will really help my channel out, bro. I'm trying to grow, so let's get it, man. I know sometimes a lot of barbers might gatekeep or barber college or whatever is expensive. So look, I'm gonna drop gems for y'all on here, but y'all just gotta show love, all right? Drop comments on what y'all want to see, and I got you, all right? So keep spreading love. Whoever come across this, man, I wish the utmost prosperity, abundance in life, and we're gonna grow together. So catch you on the next video, and I'm out.